Yes, may we have our seats, Mr. President?
All other board members that I have present, the General Secretary, our dear amiable committee members, other invited guests, members of the media, let me start by saying good afternoon to all of us. Well, I must to appreciate God today because it's an important day for us. I think it has taken a long time that we have this kind of event, but we feel it's important. Once you constitute a committee, obviously they have a great role to play. And then the role is very simple. Try to see how you can formulate policies and programs as well as advice to the board. These are the basics and the primary functions of the committees. To sit down, try and see how they can come up with some policies and programs as well as advise the board in whatever way you feel we are going to move the game of football forward in Nigeria. This is very, very important. And I just want to appreciate all of you for even accepting to serve under our administration because it's very important. Some you can even try to give them the privilege, but they will bring one or two things to see how they cannot be part of it. But for you even accepting to be part of us, I think you deserve a good thank you from all of us in the board. It took us a long time for us to do this inauguration, but notwithstanding, I know some of the committees have even started functioning indirectly. But from today onward, you are being officially inaugurated, and from now, you are going to function fully. But all I want to call to your attention now is that we are living in a digital world. There are times that your meetings are going to be via Zoom meetings, because that is what the world is all about now. We have a lot of issues that can come up, and obviously, you know how difficult it is to travel in Nigeria now. So it is very important for us to take note of this. Even we at the board, so many decisions that we took, we go through Zoom meeting to make sure that at least things are done at the right time. Because if not, it will take you some issues will take you longer time before you can resolve them. So you should take note of this. Most of your meetings can be done through via Zoom. It depends on how urgent it is. So all of you should take note. And if you don't have a very good Android phone, or you don't have good laptop, try and make sure that at least you have one. If you want to fully be part of what we are going to do, it's very, very important. I know some people, they don't like to be on social media. There are some people that up to now, they don't believe in engaging themselves in social media. But please, for the sake of what we are trying to achieve, try and make sure that at least we take note of this. On this note, I just want to officially, on behalf of the board of Nigeria Football Federation, management and staff, as well as the football stakeholders of this great country, inaugurate these 5 committees, namely Organizing Committee, Protocol Committee, Player Status Committee, Youth Committee, and Media Committee, including those that sent their apologies to be here. So the committee are hereby inaugurated. Thank you very much.
I want to thank you very specially for today. I want to thank you on behalf of all the members that are here today. I want to also thank you for giving us the privilege to serve. We also want to assure you, looking at the faces and the caliber of men that you have carefully chosen to men and women.
Protest. Protest.
No.
Protest.
Looking men and women, please do apology. Yes, looking at their caliber and the experience, I believe you have you did a very thorough job by making these choices. I want to thank you on behalf of everybody and assure you that we will work with the Nigerian Football Federation. We will never let you down.
The key thing is when you say you select somebody to be part of people that will officially advise you on policies and program of how you are going to run an organization. I think it's a very big job. So my charge to them is to try to be patriotic and try to be honest in whatever they are going to do and try to be confidential because it's very important in whatever you are going to do. You cannot just come and have a meeting before it is officially made public, then we hear it going out. That cannot happen. So it is important for us to try to be very confidential so that we can maintain the integrity of the organization. But I know when you look at the caliber of the people we try to select to give them this responsibility, you know we did our best to ensure that at least we brought in patriotic Nigerians that will help us to deliver our mandate.
Sometime last week you said the issue of the Super Eagles coach will be resolved. Has it been resolved? When are we having the name and the person?
Very soon. It will be resolved very soon. I think you have some little tip from the Minister, Honorable Minister of Sports, who have said that maximum in the next 2 weeks. Now we are still running in the 1 week. So by next week, the grace of God will get out of it.
It's a very hard question. I mean, we are ready for the job. We are ready to hit the ground rolling. We are all prepared for the job. The organizing committee is an all-important committee for the Federation. This is a committee that prepares everything concerning the running of the Federation, to organize, to prepare, to make sure that things are going on the proper way. So it's a very big task and we are equal to it. So right now, the inauguration has been done and I believe that we will have a meeting with the members and now begin to marshal out plans and how we are going to take up the responsibility.
Thank you very much. Senator Cleopas, we're looking at telling NFF as regards the various committees.
My charge to the various committees would be that everybody, all hands should be on deck to help this present NFF administration move our football forward. So every member of the committee should endeavor to do their jobs so that we can be able to give them the needed advice, much needed advice to help them succeed.